Hafeez Kennels, baby, you understand me? You're one of a kind dog, you understand me? Only place you gonna find these dogs, you understand me? Yeah.
What's up, my dog? It's your boy, the Iron King, TO HAFEEZ Kennels. And look here, I got one of the Generation 3 babies, Generation 3 young ladies, Puma. One of the bigger females out the litter. She's about 115 pounds right now. She'll probably top out at 140. Very well behaved, very well trained young lady. You understand me? We just here, man. That's what we do. Hafeez Kennels. Let's go.
Hafeez Kennels, baby, you understand me?
TO HAFEEZ Kennels, man. We put together some of the best dogs ever created. Personally, one of my goals for breeding this breed, or creating this breed, was to create a athletic man stopper with the size of the Mastiff and the agility of a pit with longer life expectancy. So I think we have established that.
Only place you gonna find these dogs, you understand me? Yeah.
Males are gonna average out in between 150 and 180 pounds, possibly 200. Because remember, their grandfather's a 200-pound Neapolitan Mastiff Borba mix.
Hafeez Kennels, baby, you understand me? You're one of a kind dog, you understand me?
Getting the best of both worlds. Very rare to get a female this size. Right, Puma? See there. Extremely intelligent, obedient. They do the work, man. They do the work.
Hafeez Kennels, baby, you understand me? You're one of a kind dog, you understand me? Only place you gonna find these dogs, you understand me? Yeah.
Where my dogs at?